Welcome friends, welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. I am Tanmay. So we will discuss today about a practice question for exam like CSIR-NET, GATE, JEE, etc. This question is reaction of this moiety with sodium ethoxide produces something. This reaction is an example of means what type of reaction it is. So you must understand the actual what question is asked. This is a strategy to misguide initially. So keep cool down, and this is a reaction is an example of E2 elimination, U1 elimination, C9 elimination or U1CB elimination. So for answer this question, you should know what is happening. So initially, as always, I suggest you to pause the video and try it by yourself. After that, I will explain. I expect that you have paused and tried by yourself. So now I shall explain the answer. Initially, I will explain step by step everything, because what is produced and how it produced and what type of reaction it is, and at the end I shall explain within 1 minute how can you solve such questions. Let's start. First of all, you can see this is a reagent and NaOET is given. This NaOET is a base. Okay, so it is expected that it will base, or you can say nucleophile or nucleophile. So it is expected, so it will attack somewhere, but here nucleophilic center is not there. Okay, so only basics should possible. Right now, what could be the way possible? Such type of aromatic protons are there, which is not that much basic enough, because we know if we want to prepare phenyl lithium from this, or phenyl anion from this is very difficult to prepare. So abstraction of this aromatic proton is not easy. Second, abstraction from here or here. Okay. Now if you look at the molecule properly, let me draw it again. If you look at the molecule, this is nitro, or let's draw it different. This is nitro, this is ON. Now, if we compare the acidity, this nitro group attached this proton and this proton. Now the question is, which one is more acidic? First, the withdrawing effect of nitro is more, because this OMe can stabilize the intermediate using minus I effect only. Whether this nitro group can stabilize the intermediate minus I as well as minus R. So this indicates that anion will be generated here. So in case of NaOMe as a base, NaOET will abstract this, and what it will produce? Anion here, and this anion will be resonance stabilized using this nitro group, this and this. So it should have one canonical form. So relatively stable. Now, what will happen? This anion will attack here and this. This elimination process is not that much favorable. Why? Because OMe is not a good leaving group. Okay, that is the reason. So this now, so ultimately what will be produced here? This will result in the preparation of it will produce a double bond. This is double bond, and nitro will be attached. So this is the overall reaction. Now first point, what type of reaction it is? First one, base abstraction, and secondly stabilization of the intermediate base, and secondly elimination. So this is E1CB, means elimination and stabilization of the conjugate base. Okay. So this is our answer is fourth, E1CB. This is the right answer. So I'll explain the other option little bit slowly also. What is E2 elimination? E2 elimination means that this is hydrogen, this is leaving group. So base will attack here. The whole process is one step. This is E2. Okay. What is E1 elimination? This leaving group will leave first, then it will produce a carbocation, and after that this proton will be abstracted and produce the double bond. That is E1. Now syn elimination, what does it mean? Means same site like pyrolysis of acetate or xanthate. Acetate means little higher temperature, xanthate. So this is so what happens? This and this. So what it produces? So this produces this alkene plus others. So this is syn elimination. Means actually you can consider it's a cyclic pericyclic type reaction. All these involved and with a cyclic transition state. This is syn elimination. So I have given about this. Now when you need to solve this question in 1 minute, how will you solve? First you need to understand what they want to know. The reaction is an example of this type. Which type the reaction belongs. So if these reagents are mixed, what will be produced? This is a base, moiety. This is a base. So from where you can abstract proton? Abstraction this proton not possible. Here nitro, electron withdrawing group stabilizes by -I as well as -I. So it will first abstract this, and second, E1 same time abstraction of this proton, at the same time this elimination not possible because of the rigid nature of the ring. What do I mean? This is the rigid nature because this side of the ring is locked. So rigid. So that not possible. So it will not happen. And another thing, so in this way, and if you need to prepare carbocation, leaving group must be good. This is not, so carbocation will not form. Ultimately, it will abstract. This anion will be stabilized by nitro, and after that, it will attack and leave this ONE. So it is E1CB elimination. So when you need to solve a question in 1 minute, you need to have a sharp knowledge about all the facts, means -I plus I, where it's operating. Then only you will be able to answer the question properly. So here I didn't name any time about the conjugation with phenyl. Why? Because both side phenyl conjugation possible. So if I say that also, that is not providing any preference for anion generation of here. That's why I didn't explain. So this is the end of my discussion. If you like my teaching, please press the like button and share this video among your friends, that many people could get benefited from my effort, and subscribe my channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecules, and please press the bell icon to get the notification of every single video I upload. So let's see you in the next video.